Wait guys, wait. See this. By just writing some reviews, you are getting paid $24 monthly, $30 monthly, $49 monthly. Oh my god. $69 monthly by just writing reviews, $100 monthly. Okay, OMG. $36,000 annually if you are a premium member. Okay, if you are a member who is just writing reviews consistently, you are getting paid this much amount of money as well. Just follow along this video guys. I just teach you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just writing some reviews and you are getting paid. Just copy paste thing you need to do and you are getting paid a good amount of money. Okay, just follow along this video. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how to earn money online by just following some simple steps. Guys, can you imagine that by just writing a review for a software, okay, for a software product, can we earn online? Yes guys, we can do it. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you step by step guys how you can earn money online by just writing reviews for software. No skill required guys. I'll show you step by step. Even if you are not familiar with the type of software, you can easily do it on your own. Okay guys, so I just want to tell you guys that you can see guys the price rate of this software. I just show you that how many earning, okay, this reviews are will give you for this company guys. $24 monthly it will give to the users who are doing reviews for this. Okay, $30 monthly this company. Okay, and there are several companies and there are good companies guys as well. $36,000 annually by just writing a review. Wow guys, it's something amazing that you are just getting paid for writing reviews for a company. You know, it's just best part-time and work from home job. Okay guys, so how can we do it? Okay guys, how can we do it? So I just come up in this website guys. Okay, and you just need to search some of the potential softwares for you. Okay, so guys, if you don't find out a particular software, I just do recommend you to just click on this software categories. Okay, and there are thousands and thousands of softwares. You can see guys, thousands and thousands of softwares with for whom you can review. Okay, there are lots and lots of softwares which companies just post it on this website. Just they want to earn the profit. Okay guys, so they are paying you a good amount by just minimum is $10 guys. Okay guys, minimum is $10. And if you are doing reviews continuously for these companies, if you spend guys hours and hours and hours on this website, you can do full-fledged job as well on this website by just typing some reviews. Okay, for one review minimum amount I can take guys. I just online calculator. Okay, I just show you in online calculator minimum dollar that this website will give you for honest reviews guys, for honest reviews. Okay, don't worry if you don't know how to give reviews. I'll show you step by step how you can do it. So minimum is $10 guys. Okay, and there are thousands and thousands of softwares. I've shown you thousands and thousands of software there. Okay, minimum, let us suppose in one day at least 10 companies you have reviewed. Okay, just giving reviews for just 10 companies, you can do it more, $100 per day. And in month, if I can multiply it with 30, you can see guys $3,000 in your pocket by just giving reviews. That's it. That's simple guys. That's simple. By just you are just sitting on your bed and just type some reviews and you are getting good amount of money. Okay, so I'll show you step by step guys. Okay, just click on this logo and we just want to type a review. Okay, just come up in this write a review. Just click on this write a review And what you need to do, guys, okay, this is a review for whom you can review, guys. I just type, guys, PowerPoint. Okay, PowerPoint. We all know this PowerPoint. Okay, guys, we all know this software, Microsoft software for presentation. We all know this. Okay, so for this software, guys, for this software PowerPoint, I just click on this and I just want to give reviews. Okay, so this is a website, this is a page which is appeared in front of you, guys. Okay, just you need to give your name, last name, email address, job title, organization name, industry, whatever industry you are working in. You can see, guys, any industrial people, whether you are from arts and designs, whatever you are, media production as well, whomever you are. If you are working in insurance agency, don't worry, you can give your opinions right now and you can earn money. Okay, so I just want to give some of the just fill this form. Okay, step by step, just 3 forms we need to fill. Okay, and you just need to type, guys, your first name, okay, your last name, your email address, okay, your job title, okay, okay, I just type software, okay, associate, okay, just your job title, and you can write whatever organization you are in. Okay, and industries, I'm having computer science, okay, computer software. So I just type computer software, whatever your industry is in, guys. Don't worry, if you are from insurance agency, marketing people, don't worry, you just need to give your honest reviews, and on the honest reviews you are getting paid. Okay, so company size I can give 2 to 10 because I'm a self-employed. So guys, how long you have used this software? You can give it, just give some of the experience, guys. Okay, I just type in this is a PowerPoint and I know it very well, so 2 years of experience I have. Okay, minimum you can give, guys, for every software just 6 to 12 months. Okay, because ultimately 2 to 3 months it will you have to understand the software. It will take you 2 to 3 months. Okay, so give your experience 6 to 12 months. Okay, so how frequently you use the software? I can say that weekly. Okay, if you are doing it often, you can give your own opinion. Okay, so whoever you are. Okay, so what is your role in using this software? I am a user. Okay, you can check out if you are an administrator or so. Okay, I just click on this, you can see, guys, next. Okay, and guys, this is the most important page, guys, very important, guys. Do the rating 4 or 5. Okay, do the rating as per 4 or 5. Okay, the quality of the software, yes, I know it. Features and functionality, 5. Okay, ease of use, customer support, I don't know, but I should give it 4. Okay, the customer support will take some time, okay, within 2 to 4 days, so I should give it 4. Okay, ease of deployment is 5. How does the price of the PowerPoint compare to the similar products? What we can say, expensive, middle tier, or inexpensive. I can give up to this. Okay, that it is affordable. How like it is it that you would recommend PowerPoint to the friends or colleagues? Can you recommend? Yes, I will, because we all know that, guys, the PowerPoint is best software for presentation. So I just do recommend that. So click on this next button and you can see, guys, very important page, guys, very important page. Now I'm going to tell you step by step how you can do it. Okay, guys, step by step. So what do I name this review? Okay, so I just want to give this, copy this PowerPoint and just type this review. Okay, just click on this and just paste it, PowerPoint review. Okay, I just need to give the title. Okay, what are the pros and what are the cons, and describe your experience with the PowerPoint. Okay guys, so this is comes your own reviews part. Okay, don't worry guys, if you don't know how to write a reviews, okay, just come up in Google. Okay, just come up in Google, just type pros and cons of PowerPoint. Okay, just click on this pros and cons, and you can see guys, there are lots and lots of pros and cons of this software. You can see guys, 10 pros and cons. Okay, I just select one. Okay, just copy it. Okay, and just paste it. Okay guys, if you are having your own opinions guys, you can give it. Okay, for those, I'm just giving for those guys who do not know how to write reviews. Okay, this is for those. Okay, so this is more official guys. Okay, you might say that guys, you might say this thing, that sir, lots of users will type the same thing, so how can we adjust this same reviews? How can we do it? Another more tip I should give you, just type in guys Spin Boot. Okay, just type in Spin Boot and just copy paste your reviews, whatever you have, copy it. I just copy it guys. Okay, I just copy it, simple copy it, and I just paste it here. Okay, and I just want to spin the language of this review, so that guys there is no copyright issue. Okay, just click on go, and you can see guys, in the few seconds I got another reviews. Okay guys, so you can see guys, the meaning of the reviews are same guys, the meaning of the reviews are same, but you know that guys, every people who are watching my video will follow these are the steps. Okay, and hundreds of people will follow this step, so there should be some modification guys, so that your opinion is honest. So just do it in this way. I just spin this thing, and you just need to copy this, simple. I just need to copy this. Okay guys, I just need to paste it over there. Okay guys, so that guys, it shows you the honest opinion. The meaning is same, don't worry, the meaning is not changed, the meaning is same, but the synonyms have been changed, so that there is no copyright. Now guys, you can see that describe your overall experience with PowerPoint. It's an optional, but I just do recommend you to give it. Guys, if you want to earn money, then you need to type extra things on this reviews. Okay, so that it will show that you are the genuine user of this PowerPoint. Okay, you are not intended here to come to earn money. Okay, this is their perception guys, but you want to earn money. Okay, so they want that you describe in detail about the PowerPoint. So just don't left it behind, just type it down in the Google, just type it description of PowerPoint. Okay, just describe the PowerPoint. Okay, oh, I should say that experience. Okay, I just type experience with PowerPoint. Okay, experience with PowerPoint. Okay, you can see guys, there is a link. Okay, experience with PowerPoint. So there are people, you can see guys, they have also posted some pros and cons as well. Okay, so this is you can see guys, this is a best described paragraph. Okay, just copy it. Okay, and I just want to recommend you to guys, just you have to do this spin guys. I don't want you to just stuck in these kind of things that this person has just copy pasted the things. So I don't want you, the meaning of this paragraph is same, you just need to copy it down guys, just copy it down and just paste it down here. Okay, that's it. Did you switch from another product? No. Okay, this shows your royalty, and just by submitting this review I certified to CAPTCHA. Okay, just that simple guys. How many time it took? Hardly 10 minutes. And if you want to write reviews guys, okay, if you are an honest person, if you have used a particular software, you can give your own opinion guys. Okay, so this is this video is for both guys who know this thing and who do not know this thing. Okay, so I just click on this submit button, and guys, you can see your product review has been submitted. Your review help other business users like yourself matter better software decisions. So what they will do, guys, they will review your review. Okay, they will process your review, so that guys, they are giving an amount of money to you. Okay, they need to see that this person is genuine. Okay, so their opinion, I just need to tell to the main software companies if some modifications it will take. Okay, if your opinions, the cons that you have listed, the disadvantages that you have listed, if your disadvantages is helpful for that company will pay you a good amount and you will become. So don't worry guys, you can say that, sir, where the money is, how can I receive money? You know that I have write my email ID, okay, in this review. So that so within a passage of 1 to 2 days, they will revert back to you, okay, and they will pay you as per your reviews. That's simple, guys. It's not a, guys, not a complex thing. Just we need to write down some things, and you are not stucking into any kind of copyright issue as well. I'll just show you how to use the spin bot. Okay, just spin your article, your paragraph. Okay, and that's it. If you like this video, guys, I just want to tell you that please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button, so that guys, there is always a motivation to give you the best content. Okay, and if you want some more investment strategies and things like how to make money online, just do need to subscribe to this channel, and I'll be with you every single day and give you best content. Thank you so much, guys.